Hi, Ben here and welcome back to the workshop. I'm actually up in Lois's leather department where we do obviously all the leather work, but we also keep all our lovely colours of paracord. So we've just been cutting some lengths of paracord to finish off this little range of atom axes that we've just finished. So on some of them we add a little paracord lanyard that just adds a little extra length to the handle itself. And obviously we add our little necktie as well, so we have to do some adjustable little fisherman's knots so you can adjust it so that you can wear it comfortably around your neck. We've just finished off this little batch and we thought it'd be a great time to show you, because originally you could only choose one option when it came to your atom axe. We've added a few extra choices so that you can now sort of custom build your perfect atom axe for your next adventure. So let's have a look and see what we can choose for your perfect axe. So now you've got the option of quite a few different Kydex colours. Originally we only had black as the option to choose from if you wanted a Kydex sheath. We've now got the choice of OD green, we've got multicam, and we've also got this hunter orange as well. So if you want something to stand out a little bit, that's a great choice. And obviously you've got the original black as well. Now you've also got the choice that you've got the original 3.5mm thick blade. So this is the original concept of the atom. So this is the thickest blade stock, and this is still 01 tool steel. You've also got the choice if you want to go for something slightly thinner. So this is 2.5mm thick 01 tool steel. It makes it a little bit lighter. It's still got the same razor sharp edge, but if you're going to be using it for opening lots of packages or just general cutting, then the slightly thinner blade stock makes it a slightly keener cutter. And obviously when you compare the two side by side, you can see it's only a miller difference, but it makes quite a big difference in the hand. Weight wise, it's only about 4 grams in it, so not a massive amount of difference, but yeah, it just makes it a little bit lighter and also a little bit more cost effective for you if you just want an axe for general use and general carry. So that's quite exciting that you've got that option as well. We've also got a different steel choice as well, so we now offer the atom axe in ABL steel. This is a stainless steel. This is a steel that's used by Victorinox for all their chef's knives and things like that. So a really good high quality stainless steel, holds a really good razor sharp edge. But of course if you're going to be using your atom axe around water, you're taking it fishing, you're going canoeing with it, or you want an axe that you can use a lot for food prep and be able to clean it very easily, very low maintenance tool, then the AEBL is a fantastic choice. Now obviously these have all got Kydex sheaths if you want, but it will still fit our standard leather sheath that's still available. And if you buy an atom with a leather sheath and want to add a Kydex, you can at a later date or on the moment of purchase. So you've basically got the choice of both sheath options. So sometimes if you're just wanting to wear it sort of around the house and things like that, and you're not going out into the wet weather, then the leather's a fantastic option. But being able to add both sheaths just gives you a great options really. So I'm really excited about taking this AEBL stainless one with me to the coast. We're going for a few days walking along the south coast. So the salt weather, the salt in the air when we're walking will be a good test to see how this copes with it. But I think it's going to cope great with it. So yeah, excited to take that away with me. So we've had a few people ask how you actually use the Kydex sheath. So obviously this is it, wearing it around your neck with the axe already in it. But there's an easy and safe way to actually remove and replace your axe every time. So easiest way is to hold it up somewhere where the eyelets are, like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab hold of the handle and that little lanyard and then just rock it backwards like that. So almost using my thumb as a sort of rocking point, and then pull it out. So obviously that gives you your little atom axe ready to rock. And then to reinsert it into the sheath safely, what you need to do is again hold it by the eyelets, tilt it slightly, and then use the tip of the axe where the handle sort of sits normally, and just slide it in and then rock it back in, and you'll see that it just locks into place. So that is not going to fall out. It's almost impossible to pull it straight down out the sheath. It only really comes out once you break it backwards like so. So very safe and easy. And obviously the great thing about the Kydex is if you are going to get it wet, then there's no fear of the leather or anything getting moist, because obviously this is going to be just made out of Kydex. So care and maintenance of this sheath. If it gets dirty, you could just use a bit of warm soapy water to clean it, but what I normally use is WD-40. That takes off any pine resin or any dirt and makes it look good as new. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing what we've been getting up to in the workshop this Wednesday. Now all the atoms are available to purchase through our site, so please follow the link in the description below. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting out on the coast. Okay, we've looked at the weather forecast and it's going to be pretty howling with wind and rain, but should be a good test for this little AEBL atom. So if you want to see what it gets up to over the next few days, check out the Instagram feed, which is Craft Lab Knives. And yeah, see you next week, and thanks for watching.